Welcome to Think in English. How's your day going, Leo?
Oh, I tried to speak English this morning, and my cat corrected me.
That's a tough audience. So, today we're talking about something really interesting. Do you ever feel like AI is slowly taking over our brains?
You mean like ChatGPT stealing my thoughts? I think it already has.
Exactly. Many people wonder, is AI actually killing our thinking skills? Let me start with a question. Have you ever tried writing an email in English and immediately Googled the whole sentence?
Guilty. I even asked AI, and it gave me a perfect sentence. Then I forgot how to say it myself.
That's so common. It feels great at first, but slowly we stop thinking for ourselves.
So, AI is like a really smart friend who does your homework?
Yes, but unlike a friend, AI doesn't make you learn if you just copy everything.
Hmm. So we might sound fluent until we close ChatGPT?
Exactly. That's the frustration many learners feel. And that's what we'll explore today. How to use AI without losing our thinking skills. So, why do you think this happens, Leo?
Well, it's easier to ask AI than think, right? My brain goes on vacation.
That's one way to put it. We rely on instant answers, and our muscle for thinking isn't exercised.
Like skipping leg day, but for your brain?
Exactly. And for English learners, this shows up in small ways. For example, you might understand grammar rules, but you hesitate in real conversations.
Oh, yes. I get stuck a lot. I know the word, but my brain says, nope, too lazy.
And AI can make that worse if you always ask it for the perfect sentence instead of trying yourself first.
So the problem is, convenience is killing creativity?
Yes, and the solution isn't to avoid AI completely, it's how we use it. I want to share a new way of thinking. I once had a student named Sarah.
Okay. Sarah sounds like she's about to teach me something.
Sarah used AI every day. At first, she copied answers for writing assignments. Then she realized she couldn't explain her own sentences.
Ouch. That must have been frustrating.
Yes, but then she tried something different. She asked AI to give ideas, not answers. Then she wrote sentences herself.
So AI became a coach instead of a crutch.
Exactly. After a month, she could speak more confidently and even correct herself in conversations.
Wow. So thinking first, AI second. Got it.
Yes, the mindset shift is huge. AI is a tool to enhance thinking, not replace it.
I think I need to tell my cat. She's been judging me for nothing.
Let's look at 5 useful words for today. First, hesitate, to pause because you're unsure. Example, I hesitated before answering her question in English.
Oh, like me every time I see a native speaker.
Second, rely on, to depend on someone or something. Example, don't rely on AI for everything.
Ha, that's basically my life now.
Third, get stuck, to be unable to continue. Example, I got stuck while speaking English yesterday.
Yep, stuck like my brain hit the pause button.
Fourth, practice out loud, speaking to improve fluency. Example, practice out loud every day, even if it's just a few sentences.
My mirror is my new teacher then.
Fifth, build confidence, to grow self-assurance. Example, small wins help you build confidence in English.
I could use that, especially when my cat judges me.
So how can we use AI wisely in daily life?
Maybe brainstorming ideas but not giving me full answers?
Exactly. For example, if you want to write an email, ask AI for topics, then write the sentences yourself.
Like a cooking recipe. AI gives ingredients, I do the cooking.
Perfect analogy. You can also practice speaking by summarizing AI responses out loud.
So if AI says, the weather is nice, I repeat it, or make my own sentence.
Make your own sentence. Today is sunny and I feel happy. That's building your thinking skill.
Got it. So daily little exercises, not just copy paste.
Exactly. Little habits compound over time. Here's the big idea. AI should challenge your brain, not replace it. Think first, then use AI to refine.
I like that. Think first, AI second. Short and easy to remember.
And remember, every time you practice, you're building your fluency and confidence.
Okay, I'll try that. Even if my cat judges me again.
All right, friends, that's a wrap for today. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to Think in English. Or just give us a tiny smile.
And leave a comment. I really want to know, which tip will you actually try first?
Yes, and tell us too. Do you use AI when learning English? And how often?
I'm curious. Don't worry, there's no wrong answer here.
Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, you can think in English every day. Goodbye, Leo.
Goodbye, Emma. Time to practice and maybe actually remember a few of today's tips.